Hello, we are here with another interesting and informative video which is about bamboo craft. In this video, we are not only going to share with you the bamboo design ideas but also will give you very much useful information regarding this bamboo craft. We are going to publish this video second time. This video got million views but it was without voiceover and only with music. So YouTube was not accepting it for monetization. So we have to edit and republish after adding new ideas. You know, it's always very hard to remove your million views video, but we have to remove it. So let's start. The bamboo craft is the South Asian traditional art of making architecture, furniture, showpieces, toys, lamps, chairs, tables, beds, ladders, wall hanging, and many household and decorative items out of strips of bamboo. There are different parts to making items from bamboo, just like as cutting, scraping, marking, splitting, splinting, width sizing, thickness shaving, bleaching, dyeing. We are going to give you a little information about these things, just like as cutting. Cutting a piece of bamboo with a cross-cut saw requires technique. It is best done on a device that holds the bamboo firmly while it is being cut. While the right hand pushes the saw back and forth, the left hand gradually turns the bamboo clockwise. Turning the bamboo counterclockwise while it is being cut will damage the peel. For scraping, scraping is the process of removing the outermost skin of the bamboo while the use of a special tool called the bamboo scraper. Scraper, however, may be done with the bolo also. So, for marking, before splitting a piece of bamboo, it is necessary for the worker to divide the bamboo into convenient sizes, making prevent unnecessary waste. For splitting, splitting is a process of dividing a piece of bamboo into sizes convenient for splinting. It is best done with the use of a specially made bolo which thins gradually on both sides towards the cutting edge. The bolo is driven gently with a mallet is a wooden hammer. Using a hammer, destroy the back portion with a bolo. For splinting, splinting is a process of dividing a piece of bamboo into thin strips of weaving. Specially designed bolo is used for this purpose. For width sizing is the technique of making the width of bamboo splints uniform. It is best done with use of a special tool called the width sizer. Next type to making craft through bamboo called thickness shaving. Thickness shaving is the process of making the thickness of splints uniform. It is done best by passing the splints through a tool specially designed for the purpose. And next step will be bleaching. Bleaching is treating bamboo splints by boiling. Boiling, usually done in boiling pan made for the purpose, dissolves resinous substances in the bolo and make it no longer attractive to visuals. And at the end, you need to dye all pieces. For this, the process of introducing coloring substances in the material by boiling is dyeing. There is a technique to make the color fast, adding a little salt while boiling. Dyed material should be washed in fresh water to remove the excess dyes. So if you are looking for an affordable, attractive and eco-friendly ways to enhance your home, bamboo is one of the most sustainable building and constructive material in the world. With proper harvesting, those bamboo plants will keep growing for years to come and will continue to add life, giving oxygen to the planet. Through this video, you can get multiple ideas, just like as you can see many household items or decorative stuff or furniture, just like as chairs or lamps or frames, clocks. You also can create room divider, wall decor, headboard, coat rack, coffee table, garden edging, planters, plant trellis, fencing, tiki bar, outdoor shower, benches, and many more things. So at the end of this video, we want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Your support always needed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.